Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lin. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you beef Chow Fun. This is one of the popular Cantonese dishes. Chow Fun, that's in Cantonese. In Mandarin, He Fun. Let me show you the ingredients. So here's a Chow Fun, rice noodles, of course made of rice. And you probably can also get a dry Chow Fun. I don't have some left to show you. And I have green onions and bean sprouts and one piece of beef. This is 𝐬𝐢𝐦𝐢𝐦. You can use flank steak or tenderloin. And we also need light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. So next, I'm just going to slice my green onions like this, at an angle. So these are all green onions. I just separate the white part and the green. And for the Chow Fun, just need to separate them. This is about 15 ounces. Probably just going to use 2/3 of it. See that like this. So just separate them like that. Try not to break them. Here's the last piece. They will cook very quickly. So that's our Chow Fun. And next, we're going to cut the beef. The beef is about 10 ounces, right, Mr. Cameraman?
Yes.
About? I'll probably use half. And cut in half, and see the grain, so we need to cut against the grain. Okay, next we're going to marinate the beef. To marinate the beef, we add a little bit sugar. A little bit will go a long way to balance the flavor. And light soy sauce. And starch. This is a potato starch. You can use cornstarch or almond powder. Just add a little bit of water. This is how we make the beef very tender. And mix well. And we'll let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes before we cook. I'm heating up the pan to high. When it's hot, we add the oil. Vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. Now we're going to make beef. Only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 minutes, let's take out the beef, set aside. Now let's heat the pan to medium, and we add our Chow Fun. It's just a matter of heating up, and also the Chow Fun already has oil in it. Now you can see our noodles getting soft. Add the bean sprouts. Now add the white part green onions and some light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is for color, and then dark soy sauce is sweeter, right? And a little bit of sugar. Now we add the beef back. Turn the heat to high. I would add a little bit of salt and green onions to finish up. And beef Chow Fun is ready. Looking good. Let's have a close-up of our beef Chow Fun. Wow. Looking delicious. Beautiful color too. Beef looks tender. Are you ready to try it,
Yes.
Mr. Cameraman?
Can't wait. Looks good. Smells great.
Let me give some to you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
My turn. This will be our dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious. I love it.
Try a piece of beef.
Yep.
Very tender.
Very tender. Excellent.
Awesome. So actually, the name of the dish said 干炒河粉. 干炒 means dry, stir fry. So you can see there's no liquid, right? Bean sprout, crunchy. So is green onion. Very good balance of soy sauce and a little bit of sugar. So a little sweet. A hint of sweetness. Would be good for lunch or dinner. Please leave me a comment below if you ever had beef Chow Fun or if you are going to make this. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.